Let's fill out the Missouri ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling an ATV in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale process. Make sure you have that specific form ready before you get started. When it comes to the title, a properly assigned certificate of title is required for this transfer. All sellers and purchasers must print their names and sign the back of the title. So everyone involved needs to be there and ready to sign. The good news is, those signatures do not need to be notarized, which keeps things a little simpler. The seller is also required to write in the odometer reading on the paperwork, so have that number handy before you sit down to complete the forms. One note for Missouri. The state has its own official bill of sale, Form 1957, and it is linked in the description. This video walks through the general bill of sale structure so you know what information to prepare. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.